In this video, I'll show you how to fix contact name not showing on Android phone. If you're using any Android phone and experiencing and the contact name is actually not showing on your phone, then here is the 2 easy guide to fix the problem. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the problem, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go and open up the settings app from your device, and from the settings you just need to scroll down to the account section. You'll get to see this is my Google account. So if you have the Google or account section, you just need to get into this one, and you'll get to see I already logged into my Google account here. So we just need to tap on all services, and inside this one you just need to find out the option called Google Contact Sync. Under the backup and restore, you'll get to see the Google Contact Sync, and just need to tap on this. And he'll get to see the auto sync option is turned off, the status. You just need to tap on this, and you just need to sync. If it's disabled, you just need to go ahead and enable this feature first. You just need to enable this and tap on the sync button here in order to sync all your contacts from the Google. And also you can turn on the auto sync as well. And once you do that, this will take a little time and all the Google contact will be synced to your phone. And then get back from here a little bit, and you'll get to see also sync device and SIM contact. You just need to tap on this, and you just need to enable this feature as well. Select your right Google account from the list, and once you do that, your Google contact will be also synced with your SIM card as well. And once you're done with this, you just need to go ahead and get back to the main settings of your device. This is the main settings of your device, and then scroll down and tap on apps here, and then go and tap on manage apps. And this time you just need to search with the contact app. So I'm going to search for contact, and once you get the contact application, you just need to tap on this, and inside this one scroll down, tap on app permissions, and make sure you have allowed all the permissions for the contact application. You'll get to see I have not allowed the call log, so I just need to allow this and get back from here. Also allow the SMS as well, and you just need to make sure that you have allowed all the permission, and it says no permission denied. And right after that, you just need to get back from here and then tap on clear data, tap on clear cache, tap on OK, and you're pretty much good to go. Just get back from here, and I recommend you to restart your phone once. And once you restart your phone, once you get back, most likely your problem is going to be solved and your contact name will start showing right on your device. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.